Go.
Hi, this is Jeff Wheeler from the Village Mystic Mines, and we are sharing the fun. Some of these buckets have sapphires that are faceted. They're actual sapphires. They are not lab grown, and tremendous treasures being found as we launch off this new endeavor, part of the Village Mystic experience.
Go. Go where?
Okay, guys, go.
Oh, wow! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this, Michael! Look what I found! Wasn't that cool? Look at that! Wow! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, there's another one! Oh my God! Oh my God! Look at this! Wow! Look at that! Oh! Now that rocks!
Oh, that's
okay.
Awesome.
Oh my God! There's more! There's more! Oh my God! There's another big one! I'm so excited! Oh man, look at this. There's big pieces in here. Oh, wait a minute. Let me do this. Oh, look at that. Hey, wait a minute. That's mine. Hey. Hey, don't be stealing my piece over here. That's mine. Wow, what is this? Wow.
I've got a chakra kit over here practically.
Wow.
All I need is some purple. I got a little purple there.
Oh my God.
I'm sure there's going to be more though.
Whoa.
Big.
Wow, look at this. 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 Wow, look at all that. Look at that. Look at this. Wow. Shark's teeth. Oh. Wow.
Look at this.
Boy, at the Village Mystic, you can really get a lot of stuff.
Look at that.
Holy cow. That's
awesome.
What is that?
Sapphire in there.
I don't know. What is this?
A heart-shaped sapphire. That looks like
Oh, this is a lot of fun. Wow.
a form of serpentine.
Look at all that.
Wow.
And
There's something very, very big in here. I can feel something big in here. Bigger. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? This is kind of cool. Wow, but I know that there's bigger stuff. There's bigger fish to fry.
wow, this is amazing.
Wow. What you got there, Michael? Man.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that.
I am hooked. I am doing this every single week.
This is awesome. Oh, look
my
at this
God. Oh my God,
gorgeous
look at this
amethyst.
Look, Michael, look at that. Look at that. Oh, mine is bigger than yours. Mine is bigger than yours. Oh man, this is so much fun. Look at all of these things that I'm getting just from one bucket. See, people, they spend money going someplace else.
Just a couple scoops.
Wow.
Looks like a tooth.
Aren't you special?
Yes, I are.
Yes, you are.
I know, that's beautiful. Well, you scored.
I know. I'm getting so
Wow.
much stuff. I got no room for it. I'm gonna have to get another thing.
Oh my God.
Put this here. We got teeth over here.
What is sapphire?
Wow.
Oh, wow, this is beautiful. Wow. Look at all the ones I'm getting. Wow. Shark's teeth.
Amethyst cleats.
Oh, wow. What is that? Man, I got it going on here, buddy.
Look at the fossils.
Wow. This is totally amazing. Incredible, amazing. Hey, wait a minute, that's yours.
Can we lift this up?
No, because
Kind of sand is, I understand, but they might come across a little.
wow, look at that. What's going to be a long... I don't think I brought a big enough bag to get all of this stuff home. I know I did it. Oh my God. I mean, it's just so much.
I had to
Oh, look
all
at
this
Yeah,
stuff
peace.
is what I, so far, and I'm not done yet.
All
Wow.
of these are the one bucket. Can you believe that? I'm not even done.
Look at that arrowhead.
I know, that is beautiful.
What is this?
I'm not even done.
Oh, that's like a little faceted.
Ooh.
Oh my God,
Is
that's,
that a garnet?
It is.
oh my God, that's a garnet. What is that? That's beautiful.
Big enough. Oh, look at this crystal.
Wow.
Oh,
Look at this.
well, yours is bigger than mine.
Show Elena that.
Yours is like accumulated. What? Oh my God, I can make a ring with that.
No.
Hey, you better keep
Oh.
that, because you can make a ring with that easily. That's like an engagement ring.
Where did it go?
Oh,
I put it right here.
Oh, wow.
Wow, how did you get jewels in there? Oops, my goodness, I'm making a mess here.
I don't know how that happened. The mystic elves.
This is a magical bucket.
So is mine.
I am sure.
I got so much stuff.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, what is this?
What you got there?
So are we all having fun?
Oh,
Yes! Oh my God! I'm just so into this.
Where's it found? Oh, she found a.
Warning,
Look
you
at
are
this
hitting
right there.
an addictive
Oh,
experience.
wow.
Found a heart